Here's how to check what graphics card your PC or laptop has without installing anything. Right-click on an empty area of your taskbar and select Task Manager. Click Performance on the left sidebar. You will see CPU, memory, disk, and then GPU entries listed below. GPU 0 is almost always your integrated graphics, the one built into your processor. GPU 1 or GPU 2 is your dedicated graphics card. Click on GPU 1 and look at the top right corner. It shows the exact model name, for example, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Ti or AMD Radeon RX 7600. This method is faster and more reliable than going through Device Manager or System Information because Task Manager shows your GPU actively in use with real-time performance data alongside the name. It also works on any Windows 10 or 11 PC or laptop without needing to open any settings menus. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.